Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss about the role of enzymes, hydrochloric acid and bile juice in digestion. Yes student, these all three substances help in the digestion student. We digest the food with the help of these substances. In this the first is enzymes. What are the enzymes student? Enzymes are biocatalyst student, and they help in the digestion because when the biochemical reaction takes place, then they increase the speed of that biochemical reaction, due to which that particular substance means protein, carbohydrate and lipid is digested in our body with the help of enzymes. And what are the enzymes student? Enzymes are the proteinous substance. They are made up of protein and they are the string of amino acid, means they are made up of protein, and in the protein they have the string of amino acid student. There are the different enzymes are found inside our body and they help us in digestion. Like the first enzyme that is found in our body is salivary amylase, and it is secreted by salivary gland student. In this student, carbohydrate is converted into simple sugar with the help of amylase, and it is found inside the saliva. And mainly student, the starch that we take, that starch is converted into simple sugar with the help of saliva. If we don't have the saliva, if we don't have the salivary amylase, then we can't digest the starch student. And the starch is the substance, or it is the carbohydrate that is digested first inside our buccal cavity. After this, there is pepsin and renin. These are the enzymes student, and they are found in the gastric juice, and that gastric juice is secreted by the gastric wall of the stomach student. In this, the pepsin digests the protein. It converts the protein into amino acid. But the milk or milk product that we take, that also contain the protein student, and that milk protein is digested with the help of renin enzyme student. That renin enzyme convert the milk protein into amino acid, means the simple form of protein. With this, there is another enzyme student, and they all are secreted by the pancreas, and they are found in pancreatic juice student. What is the pancreas student? Pancreas is exocrine and endocrine gland, means it acts as both exo and endocrine glands student, because it secretes the digestive juice, means the pancreatic juice. With this, it also secretes the hormone student. That's why pancreas is known as exocrine and endocrine gland, and it secretes the most important enzyme student. First is amylase, from which the carbohydrate is converted into simple sugar. Second is trypsin, from which the protein is converted into amino acid. And third is lipase, from which the lipid or fat is converted into simpler form of fatty acid student. Fatty acid, fat is turned into fatty acid with the help of lipase. So it is about the enzyme student. You will learn it that these are the enzymes: amylase, pepsin, renin, intestinal amylase, trypsin and lipase. So these are the enzyme student. Now we come on the next substance. It is hydrochloric acid. Yes, hydrochloric acid. It is the natural acid student. It is secreted by our gastric wall of the stomach, means gastric wall of stomach secretes this acid inside the stomach, student, and it kills the pathogens or the bacteria. Many times with the help of the food, there are some pathogens are entered inside our body, and those all pathogens are killed by the hydrochloric acid. And with this, it also helps in the physical process or the mechanical process of the digestion, in which it helps in the grinding of the food. Means when the food enters inside the stomach, student, then the gastric wall of the stomach does contraction and relaxation, and due to that contraction and relaxation, there is one acid is also released at that time. It is hydrochloric acid, and this hydrochloric acid facilitating the grinding, student. It is the mechanical process. With this, it also helps in the digestion of protein. Protein is easily digested in our body with the help of hydrochloric acid, because it facilitates the action of pepsin enzyme, student. Means the pepsin enzyme action is increased in the presence of hydrochloric acid, and we can easily digest the protein like pakoda, student. So next is bile juice. It is about the bile juice. Now what is bile juice, student? It is also the important substance from which we can do the digestion of fat. And from where it is secreted, student? It is secreted via the chocolate of our body. Yes, chocolate of our body. Can you tell me which organ is known as the chocolate of our body? Yes, it is liver, student. It is liver. So it is secreted from the liver, student. And that bile juice, means the extra bile juice, is also collected in gallbladder, student. Extra bile juice. And it helps in the digestion of fat. How, student? Because it helps in the emulsification. Means larger globules of the fat are converted into simpler globules of the fat with the help of emulsification of fat, student. So emulsification of fat is possible only with the help of bile juice, and it also helps in the neutralization of the food, because it is basic in nature, student. When it comes in the contact of the acidic food, then that food is neutralized with the help of bile juice, student. And it also increases the action of the enzymes like amylase, trypsin and lipase. They can do the digestion work easily in the presence of bile juice. So it is about the role of enzymes, hydrochloric acid and bile juice in the digestion. You will learn this important topic. Generally it is asked in your board exam, student. So try to cover this important topic. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.